We're now looking ahead at our joint ACI Europe and ACI World Annual Congress and General Assembly, which will take place in Barcelona, hosted by AENA, the Spanish airport network, at the end of June. This is really the big moment for the airport industry, not just in Europe, but globally, where airport CEOs from the four corners of the world will converge in Barcelona to review trading conditions, to look at the summer ahead. We're very positive about this summer. Demand is there. It's been very resilient and continues to be very resilient to inflationary pressures and in particular to rising airfares. So we see air connectivity still being developed, and I think overall for the business it's going to be a pretty good summer where we will finally come very close or even surpass the levels of traffic we had pre-pandemic in 2019.